GPS watch with heart rate monitor and compass. Always wanted to know how fast and how far you have walked, which trail you can follow, or what heart rate you have during your physical activities? Then the GPS watch with heart rate monitor is for you. Outstanding features include high accuracy of GPS data, extremely fast GPS reception through assisted GPS, extensive data analysis, and straightforward menu navigation. The watch has 4 main functions: time, including GPS time and date, a second time, set 5 alarms, and a timer. GPS workout mode. There are 5 workout profiles for you to choose from. With the Smart Screen function, you have the opportunity to customize 3 profile areas with a total of 9 functions. You have a total of 23 functions to choose from. Navigation. Use Google Maps to get new routes on your watch and make sure you get where you want to go. As an additional tool, you can use the built-in compass. Analysis. Your training data is permanently recorded and can be downloaded to your computer using a USB cable and easy-to-use software, which is supplied as a part of your purchase. With a simple double-click, your route will be displayed with Google Earth. You will also use the USB cable to charge the high-capacity lithium polymer battery. Battery power lasts with GPS use up to 16 hours. In watch mode, up to 1 year. Even in the dark, you're able to access your information using the nightlight function. View your display, which will be permanently lit with ease. You can choose from 3 unique trendy colors. The GPS watch is designed with a water resistance of 3 bar. With the GPS watch, a compatible heart rate monitor is provided. The product boasts an elastic chest strap and comfortable wear is guaranteed. You will also be provided a bracket for mounting your watch to a bicycle handlebar. Further details available at www.produktservice.info.